How to remove limitations from your PayPal account. Here's how to solve PayPal limitations and restore full access to your accounts, step by step. Step 1. Go to paypal.com and sign in. If your account is limited, you'll see a notification banner at the top or a red warning icon. Step 2. Go on Help in the top menu, then select Resolution Center. You'll see a list of reasons why your account is limited. Step 3. Click Go to Account Limitations and follow each step listed. PayPal might ask for things like a photo ID or government-issued ID or proof of address. Upload documents directly in the Resolution Center using the Upload feature for each request. Step 4. After submitting the required info, PayPal will review it. Usually within 2 to 5 business days, you'll get an email once they've made a decision, or you can check back in the Resolution Center. Step 5. If it's taking too long or you're unsure what's missing, go to Help and then to Message Center or click Contact Us at the bottom of this site to chat with a live agent. Also, a quick tip, make sure all the documents are clear, valid, and match the information on your PayPal account to avoid delays. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.